All right, so here's a second example for you that we can go through. So the first thing, remember, that we want to do is put this in slope-intercept form. So I need y by itself. So I'm going to subtract x from both sides. That's negative y is greater than negative x plus 3. So write my x first, then bring the 3 down. Okay, now this is just like a negative 1 right here. I've got to get rid of that. So I'm going to divide everything by negative 1. Remember, when you divide by negative with inequalities, you flip your sign. So this is now going to be y is less than negative 1 divided by negative 1 is just a 1. Keep your x. And then 3 divided by negative 1 is negative 3. So that is my slope-intercept form. So my slope is 1 here. My y-intercept is negative 3. So when I start graphing, negative 1, 2, 3 is down here. And I go up 1 and over 1. Up 1, over 1. Up 1, over 1. And you just keep going. All right, next thing I need to do is look at this sign. Okay, this sign means that I will have a dashed line. It does not have the line up under it, so I'm going to have a dashed line here. Okay, and then one last thing to do is to test your point. Okay, so here's 0, 0. It's not on the line, so I can use it. So that's what I'm going to test. So I'm going to use this equation. I'm testing 0, 0 to see if it's true or false to tell me where I need to shade. Okay, I'm going to just use the slope-intercept form, plugging in 0. 1 times 0 is 0, minus 3 is negative 3. Is 0 less than negative 3? Okay, and so that would be a false statement here. Right, 0 would be greater than negative 3. So here's my 0, 0. It is false, so I will shade on the opposite side of the line. Okay, if it's true, you shade where 0, 0 is at. Okay, and that is my answer.